How to earn in South Africa after losing your job. What can you do after you just got retrenched? Maybe you got fired. Or even worse, you can't even find a job in South Africa. Let's face it, nobody likes the feeling of not having an income that is coming in, especially if you are someone who has a family or you have loved ones who are depending on you to bring in the money. It's stressful and most importantly, it can be damaging to your health. So is there a way to turn things around in this tough South African economy? Today, I'm going to show you that there is a way out. Hi there, my name is Rupesh, and this channel, along with my website passiveincomeforall.com, is to help you. To help you to take control of your life by showing you ways on how you can go about building your own solid online business. So if it's your first time visiting, thanks so much for stopping by, and do go ahead and subscribe to my channel to be kept informed on the best ways to making money online. Okay, so you stop by because you want a real solution to your problem, and that real problem is that you either got fired from your job, or they retrenched you, or that your current job is not enough to help you to pay for the bills. Now, before I go further, I just want to show you what this real solution is about and what it's not about, so that you know what it is that you're going to get yourself into. Okay. So this video is not about showing you anything that's going to help you to get rich overnight. I mean, up to this day, I don't know if there is anything that's out there that can help you to get rich overnight. This video is not about showing you about stocks, shares, or forex or anything like that. It's not about multi-level marketing, so there's no recruiting involved. It's not about cold calling or going out selling stuff from door to door. It's also not about doing any online surveys or get paid to websites. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this get paid to website opportunities, but normally when you sign up, you have to do tasks and you get paid very, very, very little in exchange for all the time and effort that you spend on these websites. So this is what it's not about. So what this video is about, it is about showing you how to go about building your own online business. It's about showing you about a method, or teaching you about a method that is newbie friendly. So even if you have no experience whatsoever in the online space, this is perfect for you. It's about showing you a method that will take some of your time and effort, so you got to put some effort into it. But most importantly, it works. It works for me, and it works for 2 million other people, and it can work for you. If you're a South African that is watching this video, then you know firsthand that on the job side of things, as well as on the South African economy as a whole, that things are not looking very good. And here is a quick reminder as to how bad the situation is at the moment. Okay, at the time of writing, or at the time of shooting this video, as of December 2019, the unemployment rate rose by 0.1 to a percentage of 29%. According to Stats SA, 6.7 million people are unemployed in South Africa, and the most disturbing part is that a lot of people are losing their jobs because companies now are downsizing or they are retrenching. Okay, at the time of shooting these videos, these are some of the companies that are retrenching. Massmart, anybody who are working for Game, Macro, or Builders Warehouse, they stand to lose their jobs, and the company could close up to 34 stores, and this could affect around 1,440 jobs. SAA is another big one where potential for 944 jobs could be lost. And also with Telkom, they could cut 3,000, of which more than 15,000 employees, as they struggling with declining performance in fixed voice and data services. So now, my intention here is not just to scare you and show you how bad things are. You probably are well aware of it, and if you are watching this, you are also probably experiencing the hardships or after effects And that's why you are here looking for a solution. So I'm going to show you one. Okay, so before I show you the solution, I want to talk a bit about how I came into the online space and how is it that it has helped me. You see, I'm a pharmacist by profession, and you may be thinking things are pretty fine on the health side of fields, but let me give you a bit of a background as to what happened to me and how I came to this point. You see, I'm completely deaf in the right ear, so I can't hear anything at all. So I have to rely on my left ear for my normal day-to-day communications. And what happened around 5 years ago is that I started getting some ringing in the ears, and it came to a point where it was really annoying, it was frustrating, and it made my day-to-day communications very tough. And this is when I started to struggle, and I actually started panicking because I couldn't hear customers, and it came to find out that the condition that I was suffering from is called tinnitus, and tinnitus is a constant ringing in the ears, and unfortunately at this point in time there is no cure for this condition. But as I said, it came to a point where I had no choice, but I had to get a hearing aid, and that's what I have on right now. Look, I won't lie to you, it does help, but it's not the same as what it used to be. Watching my movies, listening to music, it's not been the same. I even started to withdraw from communications, from going to social gatherings and stuff like that. But where it really affected me was in my job. And, and this got me thinking that what if it comes to a point where I lose my hearing completely, or my hearing goes down even more, and then I'm gonna really struggle. And that's when I started looking online for a way to supplement my income, but also to have a backup plan should something drastic happen. And this is where you come into the picture, where I show you the solution that has helped me, and perhaps it can also happen you. Nobody likes that feeling when your way to earn money is threatened, or you're at a position where your livelihood is affected. And now let's talk about the solution for you. So what is the solution for you? It's called affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing all about? So basically, affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn money by promoting other people's products or services via your own website. For example, my first website that I started off was dealwithtinnitus.com. So I chose tinnitus as a topic for my website because it was close to home. It was something that's personal, it affected me, and I wanted to share it with the world and maybe see if I could help other people. And I also knew that by building the tinnitus website, I could use my pharmacy knowledge and integrate it into the writing, the content writing for my website. And I used it to promote health devices, maskers, hearing aids, and so forth that can help people with the tinnitus. And one of the cool parts is of affiliate marketing is you can build a business based on any topic or niche that you are passionate about. That's one of the awesome benefits. The other benefits is that it's newbie friendly, like I mentioned earlier on. It's also open up to a worldwide audience. So that means you can target anybody in the world. It's open up 24 hours a day. You don't have to do any recruiting. As I said, it's got nothing to do with multi-level marketing. So now the big question is, how did I learn affiliate marketing? Did I do it all by myself? No, not at all. I came across an online business teaching platform called Wealthy Affiliate. So these are the guys where I started my online journey from, and ever since then, for the past 5 years, I've been building online businesses through them. Now, I'm not going to get into too much details about WA because I want you to go ahead and click on the link in the description, and there you're going to see more testimonials. You're going to see the proof that I've made money and so forth. But what I want to show you is that Wealthy Affiliate has been around for now 15 years. They have over 2 million members, right? They have country exclusions, but I'm happy to tell you that South Africa is not one of them. They have a comprehensive training platform. That means a step-by-step tutorials that will take you through from the start. So even if you don't know anything, from the start of building your business right up to the end, marketing and whatever. And then it has a one-of-a-kind interactive community. And I think that's one of the coolest parts, because you're not going to be alone, and there's lots of like-minded folks all building the business today. So now, why is this a good solution for you, and why is it that you should start or sign up with Wealthy Affiliate? And I've highlighted 4 of the main benefits, 4 of the things that I feel are important, which can help you to take things to the next level. So the first benefit that I highlighted there is that it's cheaper to start with Wealthy Affiliate than it is to buying a franchise or starting your own traditional brick and mortar enterprise. Let's face it, it's astronomical, the fees that are involved in buying a franchise, with all the royalty fees. Even the startup costs are expensive. And if you click on the link and go to my sales page, there you'll see exactly what the cost of it Wealthy Affiliate is. They even have a free starter membership, so you can start it out and test it out for yourself. But I would not recommend this, because I mean, if you're serious about building your business, then I think that this is the way to go. But as I said, you can always give the free membership option a try. Let's take a look at the second benefit. At the end of the day, you're not only just building yourself a business, you're building yourself a business that has passive income potential. So in other words, you're building an online asset. Once your website is built, if you want to at a later stage, you can decide to sell it. But once it starts earning you revenue and you put all the hard work and efforts in, then you'll start seeing the rewards. And this is the ultimate goal to building an online affiliate marketing business. The third benefit is that it offers you flexibility. So for instance, if you have a job at the moment, you can always do this on the side until it comes to a point where it gives you the revenue that allows you to leave your job. It's flexible. You can take the computer wherever you have an internet connection. You can work on your business. And obviously in South Africa, you have to watch about the load shedding story as well. So that's basically the cool part, is that it's flexible. I touched on this early on. It's mobile friendly. So even if you, like many of the other South Africans who are thinking of immigrating this place, your business can come with you to any other country. As I said, Wealthy Affiliate has some exclusions, but very few exclusions. It's accepted in most of the countries. So rest assured that you can take your business with you wherever you go. And the final and the most important benefit, you are putting yourself first. You are putting the needs of your family first. At the end of the day, it's about you, and it's about you progressing to the point where you want to get. We all have dreams, and paraphrase this one line. I can't quite remember it, but it's to the point of, if you don't focus on building your dreams, then somebody will hire you to build theirs. And this is an opportunity where you can work towards your dreams, and you can start building something towards it. As Walt Disney said, if you can dream it, then you can build it, and Wealthy Affiliate can help you to get there. Of course, you have to put in some time and effort, but I believe that it is your best thinking that got you to this point. And what I want to say is that if you have watched this far in the video, then it means that you are serious about wanting to build a business. And I would like to tell you that if you are serious about wanting to do this, then I would like to be the one to help you along the process and help you every step of the way. So go ahead and click on the link, and it will take you to my sales page, where I will show you proof that I've earned. I'll show you proof about other guys been earning, but most importantly, how much you can benefit and how we can make this a great year for you and for the years to come. I want to leave you with one more thought, that if you think that it's late to start, then I want to tell you that it's not. There are a lot of people who have started late in their lives, and there are a lot of people who have still held on to the dreams up till the point where they have finally achieved it. And you can do that for yourself. You can honor your dreams, and you can make sure that what is important to you, you can still go out there and get it. It all starts with taking the very first step. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it has helped you out. If you want more information, please go ahead and visit my website, passiveincomeforall.com, or you can subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date on what else is going on. I'm looking very forward to welcoming you inside Wealthy Affiliate, and let's make 2020 your year. Thanks a lot and take care. Goodbye.